Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the root of quadratic equation from chapter number 2, quadratic equation of class 10th algebra. A root of a quadratic equation. Now what is the root of the quadratic equation? We have seen in the previous standard 0 of the polynomial. What was that? It was for any given polynomial in x, if for any value of x is equals to say a, if I put x is equals to a in the polynomial and if its value comes 0, then x is equals to x minus a is the factor of given polynomial in x. Okay, we have seen this. Now in this condition of quadratic equation, if for any value of variable, if for any value of variable, I will write here, if value of quadratic equation becomes 0, then a is the root of given quadratic equation. What you have to do to check whether the given value is a root of quadratic equation or not is just put the value instead of x at the place of x in the quadratic equation and solve it. If the value of the quadratic equation becomes 0, then the value of x is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, suppose we'll have an example like say we'll take any example from the practice set. Okay, and it is given that 2m square minus 5m, it is in the question number 4, and the example question number 4 example number 2, that is 2m square minus 5m is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation because it is having one variable and a maximum index of variable as 2, and you have to decide for value of m is equals to it's given 2 and then 5 by 2. You have to decide which of these two is a root of the given quadratic equation. So just remember this and solve. So for x is equals to a, now here m is equals to 2. Let m is equals to 2. Now check whether the value of quadratic equation becomes 0 or not. If it comes to 0, then m is equals to 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Now put here 2 for m. So 2 into m square, so m is equals to 2, so 2 square minus 5 into m, that is 2 equals to 0. So 2 into 2 square, that is 4, minus 5 into 2, that is 10 equals to 0. So 2 into 4, 8 minus 10 equals to 0. So this is minus 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore 2 is not a root, or you can say solution of given quadratic equation. Okay, in this way you can check whether the given value is solution or root of given quadratic equation or not. Now we will go for the 5 by 2. Okay, you can write here solutions or root. Now let m is equals to 5 by 2. Now put 5 by 2 instead of m. So you will get what we get is 2 into m square, that is 5 by 2 square, minus 5 into 5 by 2 equals to 0. So this will be like this: 2 into 5 square, that is 25 by 2 square, 4, minus 5 into 5, that is 25 by 2 is equals to 0. So this 2 will get cancel with 4. So 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2. So this will become 0. So the value of quadratic equation becomes 0 here. Therefore I can write 5 by 2 is the solution or root of given quadratic equation. Okay, understood? In this way you can determine whether the given value of a variable is the root of quadratic equation or not.